Okay, we open here, we had initial rally, I shorted this move against pivot point and days open price. Let's see now if price will find resistance, break down this range and go down to 900 initially. Okay, so price initially sold off, so that's why I fade this move for this potential downside. Let's see now if this breaks down and we have a lower low until 900 initially. Let's say I'm willing to hold the position for longer. I will see how this will play out here,
PTS data,
and I will see if I will buy it back or I will hold it, but needs to break down this level first. We had a support here initially with volume spike. Let's see if this will hold, but let's see if this will break to the downside as well. So my plan is to hold this position if this support fails, to hold it down to yesterday's low initially, and then let's see if I will buy it back there or if this will break down. I will see according to the price action. Okay, so price reverse here, this could be very good scalping. Let's say, okay, scalping could be 55 points, but I didn't trade it. I hold the short position, add it there, I scaled out one lot there, and I'm waiting to see if price will go down or if this will hold and just go back up. Okay, so price actually consolidated kind of sideways with support here at 50s and at US cash market open price. But in the bigger picture, the 5-minute chart, we are trading above between yesterday's initial balance low and equilibrium line, which is 11,000. But once we broke it down today, then immediately rallied back up. So let's see if this area provides sellers or if it's gonna break down and go down to 900s or even support one with yesterday's low retest. We'll see how this will go. Different price action than yesterday, just sideways. So let's see if better price action comes later in the day, if any trend develop here at 11,000 for a downtrend or for a breakout. And then you need to be adaptable. The thing that something happened one day doesn't mean it will always happen. So let's see. Okay, let's see now if this 11,000 hold or break it hard to the upside. So I bought here at 11,000 for the breakout. Let's see now if price moves back up to 100s. Okay, price continues to the upside. Let's see if it found resistance initially at 50s. This is very dovish comments from ECB, of course, but let's see later in the day if it goes up to 100s. I still have 4 lots. I scaled out. I will scale out the fourth lot here. I will leave the rest for the uptrend, and I did scale out single lots on the way up. So let's see how this will go. Initial resistance here at 50s. Let's see if this will break out, which is more likely, but here on the 5-minute chart, this is yesterday's initial balance high. So let's see if we have any initial resistance here or if it's just gonna break it out and go up to 100. So initially we held perfectly resistance here at yesterday's initial balance high. This could be a very good short, but again price might break it out. But at the moment, if you short here, you could just risk one tick, then move your stop or scale out your position for the first few ticks, move your stop to break even, and then capture the whole downtrend if there is a downtrend. So I close the whole position, previous long, very good profit. Let's see now if this can break down below and fill my targets or even go 11,000, and then I will try to buy it back here for a leg to the upside. At the moment this kind of move could be overextended because here I have this kind of measured move. This is the average move from after the first hour of cash market open and until So it's basically the average move of this time frame. Past 200 session, the average price that moved between these two hours, it is this distance. So now exceeded this price move, held resistance here. So why not take advantage of a short position for a potential downside to 11,000 retest. The other argument is that euro dollar flashed down to 106. If this support holds, then this will be inverse correlated with DAX, and DAX potentially could go down to 11,000. So let's see. Otherwise, this will just gonna be a continuation, and price will just gonna go to 100s. Okay, so just look at this straight price action. Let's see which side will fail. If this initial resistance will prove to be a good short, because this is the reason I shorted. Let's see now if it kind of fails. Euro dollar made a lower low closer to 106. Let's see if this reverse and DAX will trying to sell off a little bit. Again, if you would like to see the daily perspective, we held support here at 927s, and we also held resistance here at this week's high. So let's see if this will break out and we'll revisit previous highs, or this will just initially sell off to 11,000 and then highs. So I close the short position here. Let's see if I'll try to short it up here or buy for the breakout. Euro dollar down to 106, try to break it to the downside. If this support holds, then DAX will sell off. So let's see. I just bought here for the potential breakout. Let's see if price will go to retest previous high and then even higher at 100s. Initial breakout here, initial resistance as well. Let's see if this doesn't hold and price goes back up. Okay, so price broke out, I got stopped out, but it was very good risk reward. But on the other hand, the price held clearly support here. Now let's see if it's gonna go up to 100s. Okay, so I decided to build the scale short position. I initially shorted here. Now price spiked. Let's see my third lot, which is gonna be filled here close to 100. So I will try to take advantage of any potential down move with a stop above 100, of course. So let's see if this go, how this will go. But at the moment I'm going against the intraday trend. The intraday trend is very aggressively to the upside. Consolidation here in the first hour of cash market, support, rally, consolidation, breakout. Let's see now if this is gonna be a retest and a mini sell-off or just a breakout. Okay, that new low, multi-month low of euro dollar below 106 will not help the downside of DAX. So let's see if I will buy at 100 for the breakout. If support at 105.92 doesn't hold euro USD, then more likely DAX to break to the upside. But at the moment, held perfectly resistance here to the tick. Let's see if it goes initially down and then up, but I have my stop here at 03, so let's see. Again, do not forget that this kind of rally days for two reasons. Yesterday's sell-off because of geopolitical events, and today's potential ECB QE expansion or whatever. So let's see if this will fade or if this will hold, but to me it's more likely because of yesterday's sell-off rather than anything else. So let's see. Euro dollar looks like it held support previous low. Okay, so I bought here for a potential breakout of 100s, but let's see if that was a fake out. But at the moment euro dollar collapsing 7-month lows, so let's see. Once again I reversed the position. I didn't like this price action, so let's see. For the intraday terms, this is kind of, let's say, overbought, let's call it this way, and this could be a very good short opportunity. Who knows until here, let's say, or even lower. So let's see. close the short and open and long position against 100s. I saw support here at 90s. Let's see now if this can go and how much can go up. Dollar index is higher very much today. Euro dollar collapsing. So let's see if this trend continue and how much it will. Shorted again against 100s. I didn't like this move. I tried to be very quick. Let's see now if we have a move to the downside eventually. Okay, so we had an initial rally, then consolidation, breakout, consolidation. Will now price breakout as well, or will just collapse to the downside? I'm currently with the second scenario that price will hold resistance here, but if it doesn't, I will just buy it back there. But at the moment, it's kind of overextended for the intraday term. So this is the definition of an uptrend. Price rallies aggressively, then consolidating, then breaking out, consolidating, then breaking out. So let's see if this will go this way or that way. Okay, so I closed the short position with a good profit, but I saw here resistance 1 becomes support. Let's see now if this could go further to the upside. So I bought here for a potential breakout. Okay, so breakout is expected. Again, you need to trade what you see, as I used to say. Failed once, failed twice, third time broke through. Let's see how up this will go. Could go up to 200s, but then we need to see what will happen at the US cash market open. But at the moment we are in a very big uptrend. So let's see. Very good breakout at the moment. So let's see how far this will go. Of course, we have some data coming in 5 minutes, US data. Perfect support here. You can see how well this level works. Then rallied back above. Let's see if today we have a move up to 200 to be optimistic, or even 50s, or even resistance to. Let's see how this will go during the data in a while and during US cash market hours. Let's see the price behavior now at the data. If there is any surprise. So job unemployment claims, very good, very low number. Durable goods 0.5%. Durable goods orders 3%, so good, very good dollar strength data here. So euro dollar made a new low, 7-month low. Let's see now how this will help DAX go higher. So I close the whole position here. Let's see at the US cash market open how price will behave, if I'll try to buy it here or sell it for a possible downside. So US cash market open now. I shorted against the US cash market open price. Let's see if we have a retest here at 100 and price goes back up, or we're just gonna break straight up. Reverse the position and bought for a potential breakout because I saw volume spike here. Let's see now if price can reach previous high and even go higher at 200s. Close the long position and open a short position. I see SPY breaking to the downside, new low. So let's see if DAX will follow. On the other hand, this could be very good short if you think about it, but again you are shorting an uptrend, so this could be considered as counter trend trading. So let's see if this is initially a sell-off, a mini sell-off down to 100s and then continuation to the upside. But if you think again the big picture here, we're once again at this level, which is previous collapse. Let's see now if this could be a very good short opportunity, or if this is a time to break out. But on the other hand, we have Thanksgiving, and then the rest of the week is gonna be very low volume. So will this be able to hold above, or we will just sell off once again? Let's see.
In 10 minutes time
if we see here the kind of longer term for today on the 5 minute, so my potential last two targets will be 100s, and then I would like to hold this move for possible downside, but then again this trend needs to break out, so let's see if this is the time now to hold the position, but again the risk reward is favorable enough, so why not taking advantage? Otherwise I will just see if I will try to buy it here for a potential pullback. Close the short quick and easy. I open a long position now for the US cash open price. Let's see now if we eventually could go higher. I saw SPY holding support close to 209 and just while I speak spiked up 30 cents at 209.30. Let's see if DAX will follow. Euro dollar ready to make a lower low. Let's see how this will play out. Let's see if price now breaks out previous high. At the moment held resistance initially. Okay, flash move to the upside, straight from, I'm happy to capture that, straight from 47s to 59s. I got filled in both lots. I left the last lot for the upside, so let's see. So just to explain what happened in previous price behavior, here we had at 47s, if you see a little while ago, we had the price initial resistance, but then price ladder was shaking. That means that a lot of stops being triggered. So this is the proof here at the volume spike, 1000 contracts traded here. So let's see now if this can pull back, hold support and go even higher. So I close the whole position up here. Let's see if price can go up to 200s. I would like to short it there, but the big picture is that we had a massive rally today and we are new highs since multi-month highs, as you can see here. So let's see, could this be a very good short opportunity and then price collapse to the downside again, or that will go much higher. I actually open a very big short here. Let's see if this kind of fails, at least for today, because the rest of the week is gonna be very low volume, so this could be a very good retest of this previous area. Otherwise I will just go back up and I will be stopped out. So let's see. I closed out the short position. Let's see now if DAX can go up to 200s, and I will see if I will try to short it there. I didn't like the price action, too many minutes for a lower, to make a lower move. But again, today it's being an uptrend day, so let's see, do not find the trend. So I bought here for a potential breakout. Let's see how this move will play out, if we'll go back up to 200s. I resorted again for a swing short position against this level. Let's see if price could hold below and close below this level here. I saw kind of double resistance here at resistance 2. Let's see if we just drift lower. Okay, so euro dollar broke out hard 106 to the upside. SPY breaking down below 209.50s. Let's see if DAX finally will hold this resistance for a move down to 100s initially and then even lower. So this is my entry, 79.50s. Let's see now if this is the daily chart. Let's see if this resistance finally holds and then we go down lower. Okay, euro dollar new highs above previous breakout of 106. SPY trading in a range, now selling down. So let's see now if this can go down to 100s. I will hold the short position as much as possible for today, and then let's see how this will develop, if that could be a very good short for the possible 11,000 retest at least. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching.